What's going on, family? So I'm out here working on my trailer today. Been putting new pieces and stuff in it, like I've been saying. Been getting it together. It's pretty solid. Just had a few things I had to do. I had to replace this. So I just put it on, put a new one on there. And now I'm good to go on that end and put my tires back on. But I'm going to actually get me 4 new tires and rims. And then I'm going to be good to go. I got my lights too. Got a good deal on them. So I can be able to put them back in here. And I got to do some trimming up on this fix. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to fix up some of the pieces where it's not as bad, instead of just replacing it, because really don't need to be replaced, not the whole thing anyway. But I'm gonna tack it up and cut off the excess, stuff that need to be fixed. But other than that though, it's pretty solid, man. Solid trailer. We got a real good deal on it. Hold on.